Hey everyone, how you keeping out there? Um, Today I'm gonna talk about the glue remover. This is a mechanic glue remover. When you are changing the broken glass of the any mobiles, there is a maximum risk in every single step. Disassembling, taking those motherboards and charging the board out, and taking the screen out. One of the most difficult job, um, and using the wire, cutting the broken glass also very difficult task at the beginning, but still it's risky. And after that, when you take out the glass, the another problem is glue removing. It's hard to remove the glue without the correct the tools. So in my experience, I found the glue remover is pretty much help you out removing those glue. So today I'm gonna use this and see how it goes.
So cliche, I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, hard, baby. Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning, right there in your eyes. So when you got this whole thing, I like the way you look at me. How about we just go with the flow? Now you know I feel it too. But I don't think this could be something that becomes a thing. Maybe just for tonight, then I'll be over you. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back. And finally the cleaning has been done. So this is a Samsung Galaxy S7. As you can see, it is nicely cleaned and ready to install a new glass. So it's check this out, guys. Fantastic cleaning. I'm really happy with the cleaning. So all you need is this type of the glue cleaner, and you need the blade as well. And if you have a separator for the heat, that would be better. If you don't have the separator, then you can use the blower, hot blower, and that also does the job. So guys, I hope you have some idea now. So that's all at the moment.